hot outside?
Yeah.
So
The weather is nice today.
we
It's
have
not raining anymore.
a new addition. You got a new bike. Actually, you got a couple bikes, but what's that back there?
Oh, that one. That's my Honda Rebel. 250 cc. This is for my learning bike though.
So we got this bike here. It's the United States learning bike, and we got this. Actually, I got her the DT to learn on, but she doesn't want to get dirty. We rode it a little bit, and then there it sits. We got Project Ducati sitting here. It's been taking a break because I've been busy with other things. Like this one here, we got this one. But what else did you got?
Of course, my Honda Click 150 scooter.
But there's something else that you got. Let's go take a look. You got now a what?
I have a Harley Sportster bike. It's a 1200 cc. My God, I love this bike. Thank you, my JP.
So when you first got it, what was wrong with it?
What's that?
When you first got it, what was wrong with it?
What was wrong?
It was too quiet.
The light. Yeah, it's too quiet.
So what did you?
And then the what do you call that? The exhaust is not enough for me, so we changed this exhaust like this.
And then?
You know, it's like really loud.
I'll just run over the rest. I had a few extra things done, so I got a new air cleaner for it. I put some new bars on it, risers. Got the RSD stuff on there. I made a little bracket to lift this thing up, because it, you know, once you put the risers on. Got a new gas cap for it.
Yeah.
New pegs.
And we're getting a new side mirror also that it's coming. Look.
Yeah.
It's only one. The other one is broken.
And I got some new levers coming also because the parts that I got are for a different bike. And then I also, the wheels are powder coated black, but I polished up a little bit to get it kind of set up nice, and then that's it. So we will be on the road soon. Once I get the rest of the parts done for it, I will take this thing out today. So where's my Harley at? My Harley's still in the place. I need to go pick it up
Next month.
I'll get mine next month.
Yeah. Bye guys. Thanks for watching.